In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your OneDrive storage plan in just a few easy steps. Whether you need a bit more storage for your files or you're planning to back up a lot of data, upgrading your OneDrive can be the perfect solution. Let's get started by navigating to the OneDrive dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a small gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with a variety of options related to your OneDrive account settings. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled Upgrade. Clicking on Upgrade will take you to the page where you can view all the storage plans that OneDrive offers. On this next page, you'll see a selection of plans available to you. This is where you can compare the different options and decide which plan best suits your needs. The first option is the Basic plan, which provides you with an additional 100 GB of storage. This plan is great if you only need a modest increase in storage and you're not looking to spend much. Next, there's the Personal plan, offering a substantial increase with 1 TB of storage. This option is ideal if you're someone who has a significant amount of personal data to store, or if you're working on multiple projects that demand more space. It's especially useful if you also want to ensure your files are synchronized across several devices. For those of you with a family full of tech users, the Family plan might be the way to go. This plan gives your entire family access to a whopping 6 TB of storage. That's 1 TB for each of the 6 family members, allowing everyone plenty of room for their files. If your household has several devices and everyone has their own share of documents, photos, and videos, this can be an incredibly convenient and economical choice. Now that you've explored your options and perhaps identified the plan that fits your requirements, the next step is to purchase the plan. Whichever plan you choose, just click on the corresponding button to proceed with the purchase. The platform will guide you through a simple payment process. It's as easy as that. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your OneDrive storage plan. With your new storage capacity, you can now enjoy more space and peace of mind knowing your data is safely backed up. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.